CompX Regulator Lock has become extremely popular recently. And so today I'm going to make a video of how to program the CompX Regulator Lock for what they call the single-use mode. And this is where you, well, let me read it to you right from the manufacturer's literature. The single-use mode, what you call a locker mode, is like a hotel safe and can be used only with the manual version of the lock. And that's this one, the manual version. It cannot be used with the version that has a slam cam feature. That is where you just slam it shut. So we're going to look at how to do that. Another thing you might be interested in knowing, there are a lot of orientations for this lock. For instance, here's a horizontal orientation, and here's another horizontal orientation of these cam locks. And there's also a vertical like this. A lot of options are available, but today we learn how to program our CompX Regulator Lock for the single-use application. Before we get started, let me clear something up. I mentioned it earlier about you cannot use the slam cam version of the lock for this single-use mode. And here's what a slam cam is. It has a spring-loaded latch on it, but it's also a cam because it will turn. So it's a what they call a self-closing slam cam. Can't use it for the single-use mode. If you're going to do this single-use mode, then you have to use the manual version with this mechanical cam that moves to the left and to the right there. So let's get started. How are we going to program this lock for the single-use mode? Currently, our regulator lock is in the standard use mode, where we enter a code, let's say the factory user preset code of 1, 2, 3, 4, enter, and we unlock the lock, do what we're going to do in our locker, and then manually lock the lock. That's the standard use. Now let's put it into a single-use mode. In order to do that, we have to enter the supervisor code. So we enter the supervisor code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and press enter. Unlock the lock. Now we're trying to get into the programming mode. We press enter and hold till the low battery light illuminates. There. Now we can enter the single-use mode, and to do that we enter 5, 1, and press the enter key. Now we're in the single-use mode, and we can press 9 and enter to exit the programming. So let's check this out to see, are we in the single-use mode? Whereby I have to get in and out with the same code. So I'm going to this locker, it's sitting open. I'm going to put in a code of 7, 8, 9, 0, enter. Now I shut the door and lock it. It stays locked. Now I'm going to come back. I got to get in there and get my stuff out. 7, 8, 9, 0, enter. There. And now I got my stuff out. Somebody else comes along. They're going to put stuff in. They'll use the code 2, 3, 4, 5, enter. They got their stuff in, they lock it. They come back later, 2, 3, 4, 5, enter, and open it up. Now they can get their stuff out. That's the single-use mode. I really do believe that this feature, the single-use mode, by being able to put the regulator lock into the single-use mode, is one of the reasons that this regulator lock has become so popular recently. You can use it in lockers, like at a gymnasium. A hotel safe is a good example of how this could be used. Changing rooms, like at clinics, where you are maybe going to have an MRI or something like that, and you have to change into a gown. There are so many really good places for this single-use mode, rotating users. So that's why I think it's popular. It's a good feature. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you got something out of it. And if you did, give us the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.